Miss Music City Carley Vogel is sharing a message of hope, encouragement, and determination, singing the iconic inspirational song, Climb Every Mountain, from the Broadway hit musical, The Sound of Music.
Climb every mountain, search high and low, follow every byway, every path you know, a dream that will need all the love you can give every day of your life, for as long as you live. Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every great move, till you find your dream.
Miss Music City, Carley Vogel.